Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So I just finished my BetaFPV 140 build and I'm going to go take it out to the field, do some flying. I'm excited to maiden it. Just a little bit of a couple punch outs, a little quick hover in the front yard was perfect, no issues. I'm sorry about that. So I'm hoping that everything goes good because it's all I brought with me. And I got some packs on it, so I'm going to be flying it with 3S, and I'm not sure if I'm going to move it up to 4S and fly it like the Hobbymate 145 that I have, but man, it's a scorcher today. We're looking at 90 degrees. I think yesterday we got to about 95. I got the pool set up for the kids, so hopefully they'll be able to get into it today. I don't know, it's probably going to be pretty cold. Yeah, I'm excited to fly this thing. I'm going to be also testing out on this the new, well, it's new to me anyway, it's not super new, but it's the Foxeer Predator Micro 2, and it's a really sharp looking camera. I really enjoyed the picture quality with a little bit that I got to see it today. I was told by Foxeer that it's designed as a racing camera. I myself do not race too much, but I think it'll be fine for what I'm trying to do, and I think I'll have a good time. So, yeah. Go ahead and stay tuned, guys. I'm going to cut away right now until I get to where I'm going to fly, and then we'll be doing some more talking. Alright guys, we're here. So, we've got, let's see, let me get my stuff set down. Alright, so we've got a big baseball field behind me with a big field opening in front of it. Kind of curves around here. It's a pretty nice place to fly, nice and open. Be perfect for this maiden. So, let's get down to business. Oh, I got some fleece rolling up. Hopefully they don't give me too hard of a time here. We will see. Doesn't look like they're going to bother me today, so that's good. Alright guys, so Beta 140. It's a good quad. Build's good. Few things I want to change on it. Few things. First things first, not so sure about this wolfwhoop BTX. One thing I'm definitely gonna do is upgrade this to UFL to RPSMA so I can run one of the lollipops, see if I get better reception. I'm going to move my receiver antenna, this long crazy thing, because I did notice some dropouts. Could have been from where I'm sitting. Could also be that there's a fence and I'm trying to penetrate through too. So outside of that, I'm really loving this Foxeer Predator Micro 2. Super awesome. Once again, these Hobbymate 1306 3100 kV motors have been working really well. I'm spinning some, these are 3-inch Hulky props. These are working really well. But yeah, this build was really fun to put together. The frame seems pretty stable so far. Nice and strong. I've honestly not crashed it enough to have too much of an opinion yet. But yeah, so it's pretty good. Pretty good time. So I'm hoping that one thing I left out that I did want to mention is I'm not quite sure that these 450 3S batteries are going to work. I think I might go with 850s. I mean, I get a few minutes, 3 minutes flight time probably out of them. I wasn't pushing them too hard, just kind of making sure everything was working okay. Like I said, I did notice a little bit of latency between my transmitter and the quad, so I really didn't want to lose it or destroy it today. So I didn't, like I said, I didn't push it too hard, but yeah, this thing's pretty cool. But I think that's going to be all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review of the Foxeer Predator 2, or Micro Predator 2. I'll be also talking a little bit more in depth about the HakRC stack, because I mean, I was pretty impressed with it. As far as build goes, it was a breeze, no issues. So I have a few things I learned today. Definitely got to work on my antenna placement, because this build would be much better had I got that right the first time. And that apparently I can fly here and the cops won't bother me too much. So I guess I just got lucky this time. But I think that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, fly safe, fly often.